Gets a taxi, very stark, clean, shining car. Okay, the moment he gets out the taxi, the driver, okay, he's into those rin sapedi wale white shirt and that cap, yeah, and he comes, he shakes hand with this guy, he says, "Good morning, sir, welcome to Delhi. How was your trip?" He's like, "It was good. The flight was delayed, but good." So he's like, "All right, where do you wish to go?" He's like, "I want to go this place." So it's like, "Perfectly fine, and I can certainly help you with that." He helps him, he takes his baggage, he keeps it in the car, and he asks him to sit. And then he says, "Sir, would you like to have water or would you like to have Coke?" Okay, or some soft drink. He was like, this guy was really surprised. He was like, India mein, car mein, and somebody offering a water and Coke is something which is new, right? He was like, Coke would do. He's like, "Fine, sir, take." And he gives him a Coke, bottle of Coke, and then he says, "Sir, at the back of my seat, you'll find 3 papers, one in Hindi, one in Economic Times, and one Times of India. These 3 papers you can read any which way you want, and will take approximately 45 minutes to reach your destination." So he was like, "Okay, no problem." And he goes ahead. After 2 minutes, he says, "Sir, would you mind if I show you places surrounding Delhi on the way that we are going?" And this guy was like, "Yes, first time in Delhi." He was like, "Certainly, you can just tell me which are the places." And then in the entire conversation of 45 minutes, he tells him which are the good restaurants, blah, 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 got many things. This guy was really surprised. Do you find it surprising? Yes?
Yeah.
Why is it so surprising? Level of service, yeah?
We are used to अरे साहब बैठो जाने का हम नहीं जाएगा
किधर छोड़ना है, right? I would be surprised, yes. Is he giving out of the word service? Out of the word, out of the box something? Really, is it out of the box? Is it something, oh ये इतना कैसे दिमाग लगाया? Is it something like that? No, what is it doing? Basic things. Okay, so now this guy was very surprised. Yeah, he said, "I don't know why and how come he's giving such good service. There has to be some reason." So he asked him that, "Please don't mind, but whatever taxi experience I had earlier, this seems to be more like a business class. So you have to tell me how come you are so different." And then this guy tells that, "Sir, it's like 3 years before I had started driving taxi. At that moment in time, most of the passengers were unhappy. Overall, not with him, overall, with everybody. The drivers used to go crazy, and there was a lot of frustration because a lot of negotiation going on, and there's somebody with bad car, bad service, blah blah blah. It's like it was really horrible. And at one point in time, I really decided to give up this kind of a job. And then that's when it occurred to me, let me see what is the problem." He just tried for 4 to 5 customers, and he realized these are the basic convenience that they expect. Of course, they don't expect water or something, but they expect their car should be good condition, yeah, and they should feel good sitting there. And that's how he's decided that I'll do all these things so that the customer becomes happy. And he said, when I started doing this, within a year, I actually doubled my income. Now tell me, offering 3 papers and Coke or water, how much would it cost him? Max 50 bucks? Max. If he charges 200 rupees or 150 rupees extra, would you be willing to give him? Yes. I mean, that's simple. You get such a nice experience, you won't even mind paying premium price. I'm right? It's not 500 rupees, but 100 rupees. Or even if it just retains back, it costs 50 rupees. But the experience is awesome. And the client himself is paying for that experience, ideally, for the water and this. So, is it something going out of the driver's pocket? Nothing. What is he gaining? Double the sales. Am I right? Okay. So, the basic point that I want to drive here is that customer service really does not require a lot of creativity. It really does not require out-of-the-box thinking. But it certainly requires a lot of thinking. It requires us, when we speak about empathizing, yeah, it really means you stand in the person's shoes and understand where we are going wrong. And believe me, if I asked you to list down, I'm sure you would have minimum 10 points where you can still improve and get good deals. Am I right?